Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today we'd like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX Pro. This example features a 250 watt kilowatt battery producing the equivalent of 340 PS. Finished here in the striking cherry red colour. Taking a look at some of the other exterior features, up front we'll find a set of the IQ LED matrix headlights, and the Buzz GTX features 360 cameras as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below we'll find a set of the 21-inch Townsville black alloy wheels coming in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass on the rear windows as well as the rear tailgate window. And further helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll find a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. This GTX features an electric tailgate which can be operated from the key fob, and thanks to the long wheelbase format of the vehicle has 2 additional seats at the back of the vehicle. The 2 seats in the back can be folded flat when not required, and there's a multi-flex board and a parcel shelf. The total amount of seats in the vehicle brings it up to 7, and in the middle passenger area we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. A glass panoramic sunroof allows plenty of natural sunlight into the vehicle, and all the seats come in a velours upholstery with some GTX logos on the seats. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This comes with inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throughout the centre console we'll find charging points, and in the centre of the seats there is the buzz box, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with some red contrast stitching and touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.